Hello everyone, hope you're having a good day today. In this video we will be learning how to do a Waltz Clog, so keep watching. There are three components: a step, a shuffle, and a ball change. You want to make 5 beats or sounds when you do this step. Practice time. Try going a little faster. Try to go even faster than that. Don't forget to do this step on the other foot. Make sure when you shuffle that you shuffle to the side. Practice going faster. Keep trying to get even faster. Let's try both sides together. You know the deal. Go faster. One more time, even faster than that. What was this video for? Which step am I doing in this one? I always forget right before I start filming. It just, my brain goes blank every time. In this video we will learn in this okay, so keep watching and